So I came to Grand Valley in 1989. I came straight from the Naval Academy and teaching there. And the first thing that I noticed about Grand Valley, very new, it was not yet accredited. It became accredited in the year that I came here. And I really, really loved the co-op program. I thought it was a lot like what we did at the Naval Academy, where you build a professional identity at the same time that you're building your academic identity. And so I really loved that aspect of this program. And the director at the time just let me take over. I asked if I could do some of the co-op site visits, and I asked how many, and he said, you could do all of them. So I did, and I worked with Dean Kinchy in the Science and Math Division, and Tom Sikora in Career Services. We did a lot of building of the program. We would go out sometimes on cold calls to set up co-op sites. Occasionally people would still say, oh, the hippie school has a school of engineering. So we had to really build a reputation, and so it was a pleasure to work with starting all of that up. I also did the academic requirements while on co-op, so I instituted that, and my first sabbatical here at Grand Valley was putting together a co-op employer's manual to sort of give a baseline for what we were expecting from employers in the whole education process. So it's been really a joy to be part of that. And for lots of years, I was a person who sent all the classes out, who set up all the academic requirements, who also went on site visits, who also figured out which faculty members got which site visits as the program grew. We started with, there were like 5 or 6 people the first time I did co-op site visits, like total. And now we have 200, 300 students. And so processes have changed and so on over the years, but I'm still enjoying being part of the whole co-op process.